think I ended the vlog last night. I don't think I did, but we came back to the resort and we were looking for some water and something to drink, and we drove around our little golf cart and couldn't find anything that was open. And I wish I would have been filming, because like as we were driving, there was like a frog that literally jumped into the golf cart as we were driving. You know that there was lots of screaming. So now we're just headed out to go get some coffee and look around. Provisions for our cabin. So you got our light. How cute is this? These people have like their whole like little cabin area decorated for Halloween. Look at, there's lights in the window and everything. That's commitment right there. More commitment than I have. Here's more little inflatables. They some of them have seen better days. I like the little mini bumblebee. That's cute. Everybody on?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I feel like there's more in my bag this time. Oh.
How do you see behind you?
You don't?
There's mirrors up here.
Well, I can't see
Not
out
really.
of that.
I know.
You're okay. There's a guy coming, but
Jesus
he'll
Christ.
wait. He'll wait for us.
Yeah, he seems to know what he's doing.
More than I do. Okay. Put it in drive. You have to be tall to see out of these rear view mirrors.
You just have to look up.
I know, but even when I look up, I don't
Right.
really see behind me.
I couldn't really see either.
Put the pedal to the metal. Oh, that's it.
Did you think I was just going slow because I was being conservative?
I thought that you just, it doesn't matter if you slightly depress it or fully depress it, it's the same speed. What do you think this thing is? Like how many miles per hour? Oh.
6, 10, maybe?
Okay, we're gonna try to go before these people. Oh, this is kind of fun. Today we are going to Epcot, but we are going to we're gonna go to Hollywood Studios and we're gonna take the gondola over to Epcot and go in the International Gateway to ride the gondolas. So let's go. And we made it to Hollywood Studios. That was a very nice short bus ride, and now we're gonna get on the gondolas and ride that for the first time. I had no symptoms. Right. Yeah. This process seems to move pretty fast, like we just keep walking.
Hello! We're ready for the gondola ride. We're so excited.
I think we're gonna shoot off pretty quick. Oh, that wasn't so bad.
Here we go! There we go. Now it's going. Yeah. Oh, and it's like the breeze.
That's what he was talking about there.
Oh, this is fun.
We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Top Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
When you go through
We
those little
hope you
things,
enjoyed your
you kind of
visit
get
to
a little
Hollywood
bump.
today.
Yeah.
Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below.
Bye!
Bye!
What's up, guys? You have plenty of time?
Okay, well that was fun. It was pretty breezy. The end scared me a little bit because I felt like we did come in a little bit hot, and I thought we were gonna hit the car in front of us, but it was fine. Kind of fun. Okay, so we're transferring now to go to Epcot, so let's go.
Of the Caribbean islands.
It's fun. I like it.
It's pretty cool.
I like this better than a bus. Right? This is nice.
It's quick, too.
Yeah. And there's not a million people next to you. It's kind
Yes?
Yeah.
Correct.
Just enjoy the rest of the ride. We'll be opening Riviera in the middle of December.
of... All right.
Thank you. Okay, I thought that was a lot of fun. I enjoyed riding it. I would ride it again. I think we all really enjoyed it, minus the little stop that we made for a second. But I think it was fun. I think it was great. Right, Joyce? Yeah. Joyce, will you be riding it again? Probably not. Hi.
Yep. You doing good? Good. Thank you.
All right, so we're gonna pick up our Food and Wine Festival passports here. The smell right here is really good. It kind of smells like it's something sweet, like
Yeah.
Sweet Bakery or something. Oh, look at the little house back there. That's so cute.
Oh, look at the little cottage.
It's like Snow White's cottage. You might like this. So here's a close-up on the cheese plate. It is tiny, but it does look pretty good. Okay, so the girls had some wine and the cheese board. Ladies, awesome.
Very good. Small,
Good.
but
Small. Everything here is small and expensive, but you know, it's Disney. Doesn't count. Okay, so now we're at Canada and I'm gonna go get the filet. So now we got the filet from Canada. I just cut into it and look how rare it is. I love it when it's that rare. Now it's got the Duck
Confit Poutine.
Confit Poutine. It is tasty. Tasty, tasty. Clearly I finished my my beef. The tenderloin was perfect. It was perfectly cooked. I like it a little bit rarer. I think if you like your meat well done, you need to tell them, because otherwise I think you're gonna be a little disappointed, because it was like almost bloody. But it was delicious. Okay, and then from Hawaii I got the Kalua Pork Slider, and then I got the Bikini Blonde Lager. Oh my god, look at, my friend got the, what'd you get?
The AULANI Sunrise.
The AULANI Sunrise, and look at the little tiki. Oh my goodness, so cute. Now that looks delicious. Okay, hopefully you can hear me, because right across here, let's flip you around, right there, they're building something which I think is the new Club 33, I may be wrong. That pulled pork cider, oh my god, that was so good, so good. It had a little bit of spice to it, but then the like pineapple chutney or whatever was on it gave it like a little bit of sweetness. Love it, love it. Even better, I think, than the filet. So the renovation at Epcot has definitely started. There are walls up everywhere. And we are gonna go ride Spaceship Earth for the one last time to bid it adieu. So standby is 10 minutes, and Fast Pass seems like it might be even longer than that, so we'll see how this goes. Oh god. Why is there two of me? Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna go to Test Track, and one of the girls that I'm traveling with actually works for General Motors in Detroit, and we are gonna go up to the GM Lounge, there's the car, and go experience that. This is something I've never done before, so I'm really excited to see what it is and what we get to do, and let's go. No, we're going through the employee entrance.
oh, shut the front door! Oh wow, that is so cool! I'm so excited. Let's think about it. Oh, so much fun! I'm so excited.
So this is it. So we're going. All right, so here we go. We went in a special little side door here. Oh wow! Look at all this artwork. Okay, I feel like I have to hurry up. To the GM Conference and Training Center.
Welcome to the General Motors Conference and Training Center. Hey there, ma'am. How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. I think that, oh, there we go. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate you having your GM issued identification handy.
Thank
We are at the Deeper Conference Center, and I'll greet you fine ladies up at the top.
Okay.
There we go. So that's what she did. She called upstairs, and someone answered, and she had to show her GM ID, and let's see what's next.
Oh my god, it's like driving in my car now. way faster than I normally.
So I'm super windblown because we just went on test track and we did go into the GM lounge, but unfortunately I could not film inside of there. There was a great view of the like Epcot, and you could see the ball, and it was really an amazing view. And then they had a bathroom, they had a Coke machine, it was air conditioned in there, and we really just got to sit down and relax. And we're in there for about half an hour, and there was a private station where we could build our vehicles, and we could build, all four of us could build a vehicle, and we could take as long as we wanted. And then we went downstairs, basically in the Fast Pass line, did not build a car there, and got to ride the ride. So I'm sorry that I was not able to film it because it was a really, really cool experience, but for privacy reasons they asked that I not, which I totally understand. But if you know someone who is a GM employee, definitely find out about it. You do have to have your GM employee ID, but it was definitely, definitely a very cool experience, and I'm so glad that I got to do it.